In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can change country in your AliExpress account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your AliExpress account and go to your home page like this, as you can see. And all you have to do is you just need to click over here and click on setting, okay, like this, and you will be directly in this page, as you can see. Okay, so let me show you, and here you go. You should see here your personal information, and you should see here country. Okay, so just click on country, and here you go. You will be directly in this page, and here you can choose which country you want to use for your AliExpress account, and that's it. So you can scroll down and choose your country, and that's it. After you finish, just click on change, and that's it. That's how we can change country, or that's how we can choose country in your AliExpress account. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.